shields, the star, Saira, Elaine. Please, can you come here? The convener of this conference. I think we should all give her a big hand here. And Bilal. Oh my God, they have done a marvelous job. I cannot, Saira, you have done it so well, and Bilal. Yes, 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 she is the
She's a
star.
star.
She is a star. We all need to give her a big hand.
Yes.
You know, she has done it, I should say, almost single-handedly. No, it's a teamwork always. You and Bilal. Bilal, come here. Great job. Well done. Well done. It was fantastic. Yes. Now you can distribute the sheets. I don't have any words to say how much hard work they. I mean, months and months of preparation and endless preparation, and it's absolutely wonderful to see them, budding to the role of leadership now. The next generation, the coming generation of leadership now. Yes. And thank you so much.
We will now commence the distribution of shields to thank our speakers. Please welcome Dr. Beena Hamid. Professor Dr. John Axford. Dr. Suleiman Khan.
Now we would like to request Professor Dr. Nigat Mir, Professor Dr. Samaira Farman, and Professor Dr. Ahmed Saeed to present shields to our honorable chairs. Professor Dr. Bilkis Shabbir, Dr. Saleha Ishaq, and Professor Dr. Abid Bhatt. Dr. Saleha Ishaq, Professor Abid Bhatt.
We will
Now, thank you so much, everyone. We have concluded our 2 sessions. Now there is a break for Juma prayer and lunch. The prayer is at 1:30 in the Masjid of PC, and after 1:30 there would be the lunch is served in the ballroom B, Grand Ballroom B. So please go for the prayer and the lunch, and we'll come back and assemble here at 2:45. And if you want to visit the exhibitions, it is at the Crystal A and the Kohinoor Hall. See you after the break. Thank you.